What happens if you drink espresso every day? Everyone loves their morning coffee, and everyone has their own version of what they consider their coffee drink. Some like it black or with milk, others drink lattes and may add flavors or sweet syrups. Many even drink the trendy bulletproof coffee, which has butter and MCT oil in it. However, all of these different types of coffee affect the body differently. One example is espresso. There are health advantages for the daily latte and espresso drinkers that most people are probably not even aware of. The caffeine and acid content of espresso. When it comes to caffeine, every person is different. Everyone metabolizes caffeine differently, which results in various effects on the body. This is why some people can drink coffee late at night and still sleep while others can't. Among the potential effects of caffeine are insomnia, anxiety, and feeling jittery. Health benefits of espresso. There are also health benefits to espresso. A study from the University of California found that drinking the equivalent of 2 espressos enhanced memory consolidation. This then improved long-term memory in the subjects. Potential downsides of espresso. When drinking multiple cups throughout the day, keep in mind that too much coffee can have a negative effect on your health. One of the crazier symptoms, no pun intended, is it can cause you to hear things, essentially giving you oral hallucinations. It is also important to remember that caffeine is addictive, and withdrawal can cause headaches and irritability. Excessive amounts can increase your risk for osteoporosis, cause liver damage, and raise your blood pressure. Drinking espresso every day is healthy as long as you don't overindulge. Enjoy your espresso consumption in moderation and you will be able to enjoy the positive health effects without having to worry about the negative ones. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to watch more videos about coffee.